Daily English Talks.
Do you want to speak English confidently in daily life? Let's practice together.
Expressing feelings in simple English. I have been feeling a little nervous lately because I started a new job and everything still feels unfamiliar to me.
I completely understand how you feel, because starting something new can be exciting and stressful at the same time.
Even though my coworkers are friendly, I still worry that I might make mistakes during my first few weeks.
Making mistakes is a natural part of learning, and nobody expects you to know everything immediately.
Hearing that makes me feel calmer because I often put too much pressure on myself to do everything perfectly.
I used to feel exactly the same way when I started my first office job several years ago.
Sometimes I become quiet when I feel uncomfortable because I do not want people to notice my nervousness.
Many people hide their feelings like that, but talking honestly can help you feel more relaxed and confident.
Yesterday, I felt embarrassed because I forgot an important password during a meeting with my manager.
That situation sounds uncomfortable, but I am sure your manager understood that new employees need time to adjust.
I hope so, because I spent the whole evening thinking about that small mistake again and again.
You should try not to be too hard on yourself, because one small mistake does not define your abilities.
I appreciate your advice because you always know how to make me feel better after a difficult day.
I am happy to help, because good friends should support each other during stressful moments in life.
Today, I actually felt proud of myself because I successfully finished an important report without any help.
That is wonderful news, and you should celebrate your progress, because you worked very hard to improve your skills.
When someone notices my effort, it gives me motivation and makes me feel more confident about my future.
Positive encouragement can really change a person's mood and help them believe in themselves more strongly.
Sometimes I feel lonely in the city because my family lives far away and I cannot visit them often.
Being away from family can be emotionally difficult, especially when you are facing challenges in a new environment.
I miss having dinner with my parents and talking with them about simple things that happen during the day.
Those small family moments are very special because they give people comfort, warmth, and emotional support.
Last weekend, I called my mother, and hearing her voice immediately made me feel peaceful and happy again.
It is amazing how conversations with loved ones can quickly improve our emotions and reduce our stress.
I also feel grateful because even though life is difficult sometimes, I still have supportive people around me.
Gratitude is a powerful feeling because it helps us focus on the positive parts of our lives.
There are days when I feel tired emotionally, even if nothing particularly bad has happened during the day.
Emotional exhaustion can happen when people spend too much time worrying or thinking deeply about many problems.
When that happens, I usually listen to soft music and take a long walk to clear my mind.
That sounds like a healthy way to relax, because peaceful activities can improve both emotional and mental health.
I have noticed that expressing my feelings openly helps me feel lighter and less stressed afterward.
Keeping emotions inside for too long can become overwhelming, so honest conversations are very important.
Sometimes I feel afraid to express sadness because I do not want other people to think I am weak.
Showing sadness does not make someone weak, because every human being experiences emotional pain sometimes.
I am trying to become more comfortable with talking honestly about my emotions and personal struggles.
That is a brave decision, because emotional honesty can create deeper and more meaningful relationships with people.
Yesterday, my younger sister told me she felt anxious about her school exams, so I encouraged her gently.
I'm sure your support helped her feel calmer, because kind words can have a powerful emotional effect.
She later told me that our conversation gave her confidence and helped her stop overthinking so much.
It must have made you feel happy knowing that your words positively influenced someone you care about deeply.
Yes, I felt proud and emotional because I realized how important simple encouragement can be in difficult moments.
Sometimes people do not need perfect advice because they only want someone who listens with kindness and patience.
I agree completely because feeling understood can comfort a person more than finding an immediate solution to problems.
Emotional support becomes stronger when people listen carefully without judging each other too quickly.
There are also moments when I feel excited about my future and all the opportunities waiting for me ahead.
Having hope for the future can bring energy and motivation, even during stressful or uncertain times.
I want to continue improving my communication skills so I can express myself more clearly and confidently.
You are already improving because your ability to talk openly about feelings has become much stronger recently.
Thank you for saying that because encouragement from trusted friends always gives me more courage to continue growing.
You deserve encouragement because you are working hard to become emotionally stronger and more self-confident every day.
Sometimes I still compare myself to other people, and that habit often makes me feel insecure about my progress.
Comparing yourself to others can damage your confidence because every person grows and learns at a different pace.
I am slowly learning to focus more on my own journey instead of worrying about other people's success.
That mindset will help you feel more peaceful because personal growth should never become a competition with others.
After talking with you today, I honestly feel more relaxed, hopeful, and emotionally balanced than before.
I am very glad to hear that because meaningful conversations can improve our emotional well-being in powerful ways.
I think expressing feelings in simple and honest words makes communication much more natural and meaningful.
I completely agree because sincerity often connects people more deeply than complicated or perfect language ever could.
From now on, I want to express my emotions more openly instead of hiding everything inside my mind.
That is a wonderful goal, and I believe it will help you build happier and healthier relationships in life.